Welcome to our tutorial on how to archive a chat on Gmail on your PC. Keep your inbox organized and clutter-free by archiving messages with these simple steps. Let's begin. First, open gmail.com on your PC to access your Gmail account and messages. Next, find the message that you want to archive within your inbox or a conversation thread. Once you've located the message, click on the message to open it and view its content. Look for the archive icon at the top left side of the Gmail interface. Click on the archive icon to archive the selected message. Archiving a message removes it from your inbox and stores it in the All Mail folder for future reference. This helps you declutter your inbox while still retaining access to the message when needed. By following these steps, you can efficiently archive a chat on Gmail on your PC, ensuring a well-organized inbox and easy access to important messages. Thank you for watching our tutorial. Enjoy streamlining your email management by archiving messages effectively on Gmail. Keep your inbox tidy and stay on top of your emails with the archiving feature.